Huzur, his question is about genetically modified food, GM food. What is Huzur's instruction about using these food items? I don't use it. I don't allow my family members to use it. And so whatever my advice is for my family members and myself, that is advice for the whole Ahmadi Jamaat. Everybody, in fact, whether they belong to Ahmadiyyat or not. This genetic changing of food is not visible. The effect is not visible in the first generation. Sometimes there are things which appear after 2 or 3 generations. So genetically changed things are not, I think, good for human beings. That is why there is a great hue and cry by scientists who know genetics against the genetic food, and now over the tins of the food, they are now compelled by laws to show that it is genetically prepared food. So whenever you buy tin food, just look at the label and see that will show you this is genetic. Don't use that. This is my advice, because I don't use it and my family does not use it.